Today we have something special once more. This is the g-shoxk GW-M5610-1ER module 3159. And look at this box, it's different. This is an old style, or it's kind of new, but this is even newer. Is this some winter box? I'm not sure. I'm not sure at all. Okay, we got the regular papers here, warranty, manual. And we also have a new tin can. Look at this. Oh, we are getting to the good stuff. Remove these foam. We have it. I've been wanting this watch for so long. I think it's the ultimate watch, so let's see what we got. Do we have some light here? I am so sorry. I need to fix the light. There we go. Now look at this beauty. It is so clear, and I love the red line here. Just makes it pop a little bit more. So let's do some measurements here. What do we got? We got 43 millimeters wide, lug to lug. Let's see about here. We have 45, and thickness do we have 12.4, and the narrowest part of the rubber band is 19 millimeters. So it's a small watch for G-shoxk, but I think it will fit nicely. So let's pop it on the wrist, and a quick look at the back side first. Stainless steel. So let's put this on the wrist. Now we're back. Look at this beauty. Wow. Oh my god. I've been looking forward to this so long. I ordered it and it arrived like 10 days later, so it's finally here. Quickly running through the functions. I think you might appreciate that. So you got the mode button, the adjust button, the set, and the set plus minus, so up and down. So the timekeeping mode is what we are on right now. And we go to the second time zone, LAX. It's 5:49. Alarm. Stopwatch. So you start it down here, I think. Yes, and you stop it. And reset. There we go. Next one is the timer for potato cooking, rice, pasta, eggs, whatever you like. Next one is back to timekeeping mode. Nothing too fancy, but it has some additional functionality compared to the original one. And let's look at this tag so we can have a look. It of course has shock resist. It got 20 bar. Radio control is a new feature compared to the cheapest one you can buy. It also has solar powered. It's between the display and the red line. I don't think you can see it that well. No, but it's kinda see-through. Back to this. Dwell time, of course, and full auto L backlight. The last point there, full auto L backlight, is something you can turn on. So when you turn off the light, it will automatically flip and give you your light. But I don't have it turned on. So you can see, do like that, and it will do this. so you can see a watch when it's dark or whatever. But I think I would keep this off because I would like to push the button. And this is also a light test, as you can see, it's really bright. But I think it's showing a little better on camera than in real life. So let me turn the light on here. So that was it. That was an unboxing of this GW-M5610-1ER. Beautiful watch.